So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And then once you're on this, in the bottom left, you want to click on Library. And then once we're here, you just want to search for Xbox. You should then find it right here. If you have an update, it's going to say it for you right here. You want to click on Update. Make sure the Xbox app is fully up to date. And now for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in Xbox. You want to right click on it and then click on App Settings. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on Terminate. Then you want to click on Repair. Wait for this to load. Once that loads up, see if that works for you. If not, you want to click on Reset and then click on Reset again. See if that works for you. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in Date and Time Settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure you have set time automatically turned on. Then you want to scroll down and then click on Sync Now. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in Add or Remove Programs. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down till you find Xbox. You want to click on the three dots and then click on Uninstall. And then you just want to uninstall it. And then once you uninstall it, you want to head over to search again and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you just want to search for Xbox. Then you just want to re-download it again. See if that works for you. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in Windows PowerShell. You want to right click on it and then click on Run as Administrator. And then click on Yes. And then once you're on this, I'm going to be leaving down below 2 commands in the description. And you just want to copy and paste them one by one. So here's the first one right here. Just going to highlight it, right click on it, copy, go to PowerShell, right click on the white tab, click on Edit, and then click on Paste, and then click on Enter. Now for the second one, do the same thing. Highlight over it, right click on it, copy, go to PowerShell, right click on the white tab, click on Edit, and then click on Paste, and then click on Enter. Now the Microsoft Store is going to be started, and now you should be seeing Gaming Services. Click on Get, and then click on Yes. And now you just want to install this. Once it's been fully installed, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.